Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a junk journal to share with you. This is a cat themed junk journal that I'm going to be using to put pictures in of my cat who has passed away, but it has been a few months now. And so I wanted to just keep some memories in a book, and I hadn't made a small mini album for her picture, so I found a book at the Dollar Tree here, and this was the color of the actual book. And then I covered the spine with some gingham fabric that I had picked up at Walmart. It was a fat quarter. And then this image here is from a journal notebook that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I also did a dog themed junk journal that was for the Dollar Tree Junk Journal Challenge with I'm a Cool Mom. I will put the link for that video down below if you want to see that one. I also started another junk journal with a different dog notebook from the Dollar Tree, and I will be finishing that up here in the next couple days, and it will go up in my Etsy shop. So if you would like to subscribe to my Instagram page, I will be putting up sneak peeks of that journal. So the link for my Instagram is down below. So let's see. What else I did on the front here is I added some pink and green trim. I put that down on the back along the spine there. And I made a tassel here with some of the fabric and some trims and laces and other ribbons. And I added a little grosgrain bow there. And I made a charm dangle. I had this kitty cat charm. It was from like a brooch pen that I just pulled the charm off of. And then I had the Spoiled Rotten and Le Chat, not pronouncing that correctly, but it's French for the cat. And this little tassel here that I picked up, I believe was at the Dollar Tree, I'm not sure, but I made a little dangle with a Tim Holtz little lobster clasp thing there. And the book is tied up with the fabric that I cut strips of. And I have not put pictures in this yet, so I just wanted to show it to you before I put the pictures in. Here's the first two pages there. There's a little pocket, and this is a clear sticker quote. It says, "Whiskers, long projecting hairs or bristles that grow near the mouth of an animal." I just thought that was cute. And I put some lace trim there. I have included lots of different pattern papers that I've gathered from my stash. There's vintage papers in here, tea-dyed doilies, graph paper. I stitched all kinds of pockets and laces and trims on here. This is a sticker tag that was from a Doodlebug Designs sticker sheet. Here's a pocket that I sewed some lace, like ruffled it here, and I made an envelope to include in there for some pictures or memorabilia. This is a pocket, and it's an actual vintage card. Super cute, and I just made a tag with a dyed note card there. This is an old vintage book page from a nursery rhyme book. So this is the Three Little Kittens. It's super cute. There's an old vintage music tablet page. I used a stencil with an inking pad. And then I sewed a pocket of a vintage piece of a music sheet there. And then this vintage image here that I printed offline as a little tuck spot. And then here's an actual page from a golden book, it was from like 1940s or 50s. It's I can't remember the name of the book. It's super cute though. And then I just made this little booklet of some cat paper. There was actually the journal that this cover came from. And then I added a ruffle of ribbon there. Here's some other printed kitty paper that I had in my stash. I did a pocket, tied another tag from Doodlebug Designs there. And then there's another pocket. So I'll just quickly flip through here. This was a special piece of paper I had gotten from the Scrapbook Expo. They had a company that was sampling a custom paper, so we just gave them our name of our cat or our dog, and then they made a paper out of it. So that was really cute. So I put that in the center so you could see her whole name across there. Another pocket. This is another vintage card. I made it a little belly band. Some graph paper with a tuck spot. It's another piece of the book there. And I put some pom-pom trim there. Another tuck spot and a belly band. Ruffled up some of the fabric there. I added a couple envelopes. Here's a waterfall, the doily, and then this flips out here to show the other side of that page. I added just a piece of paper here with some more of that for some journaling. There's another tag and a pocket. This says, "When the cat's away." Super cute. I had these little kitty cat stickers in my stash too, so I added those. And here's more little pink envelopes that were from Michael's. And then I found these memory cards at a thrift store, and they're vintage images, super cute. They're old vintage cards. So I just stuck those in there. There's also little note cards in here that come out, so I can add in some journaling or pictures. And then these were just some stickers I had in my stash. Here's another pocket from a book page that I stitched on. This is a little paper clip. Holding this tag, I just embellished this with a vintage cat image there. That was from online. And I added a sticker, so that tucks in there. Another little ephemera tuck spot. Kitty cat. And I just added a piece of dyed paper there. There's another tuck spot. This is a vintage card that I printed offline or online. Another tuck pocket. Another one of the book pages. This is a vintage sheet music. Here is an envelope that's a little pocket. Belly band. This was a scrap from the paper. I did some more stenciling. This was a frame that was from an ephemera pack that I had, so I just left it open there so I could stick a picture and tied some ribbon at the top. It's another tuck with a tag. Vintage pocket there with a layaway tag. Another vintage image there with a ledger paper. I did some experimenting with food coloring there. Belly band. This is just decorated and sewn. I kind of pieced the paper together. This is a tuck spot here. More tuck places, lots of places for pictures. A little pocket with vintage sheet music there, and a little kitty vintage image. And this is a double pocket there. More tucks. This was a vintage card. This is my favorite vintage card, I think. It's super cute. It's a get well card. But I sewed it on the inside to make a pocket, and then I can put pictures in there. Another tuck. And then here's a little tag that I made with the window envelope there. a tag in that goes into that window envelope. Another book page. These were stickers that spell out cat that were from that Doodlebug Designs. And this whole page is a pocket. And that's it. That's the last page. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Remember to go over to my Instagram and follow me on Instagram, and you'll get sneak peeks of the videos that go up on my channel, as well as things that I put up in my Etsy shop. I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.